One thing we can count on is that Dollar Tree is going to bring a variety of solar lights every spring and summer season, and this year is no different. I love this new design of a mushroom. At least I had never seen it. It's really easy to pull apart. At first, I thought I just had to unscrew the screw in there, but no, you simply want to pull it. That's it. So easy. You then want to remove this little yellow or orange tag to remove it from the battery. Make sure the battery is attached and then just put everything together. Now, I'm not going to use the stake, so we're going to leave that off. We are going to pair it with two things, but first I'm going to show you the first one here, and I'm just going to use this can. This is just a can left over from a recipe. I'm going to remove the paper and then just sand it smooth just to remove any excess glue or paper, but also to scuffen up the surface so that the paint attaches to it really well. I'm going to wipe it, of course, really well, and then I'm going to take one of these drill bits. This is just one that is meant for more metal materials, and I'm just going to place it on my drill, and then I am going to just mark with a permanent marker the shape of what will look like, maybe like a sparkle or something like that. And then I am going to just drill each one. Now, you can choose whatever design you want, okay? I'm just going to use this one, and then I'm going to start drilling each dot. Now, be very careful, of course. I'm going very slow and very careful. I just sped it up for purposes of the video. I'm not going to drill it all the way through either. I just want to poke little tiny holes. So you can also use this with the nail and try that if you do not have a drill. All right, so once everything was drilled, I am going to remove any excess permanent marker marks with the alcohol, and then we're just going to paint it white. You can choose any color you want. I just think white is going to look really cute for that mushroom look. I'm going to do a couple of coats, let it dry. I'm going to use one of my weeding tools just to open up some of the holes because the paint clogged them up. All right, so now we're going to take some of this ribbon. Now, this is a ribbon I got on Amazon a long time ago. I hadn't used it until recently, and then I saw it today, and I'm like, it's going to look so cute. It has a very natural look to it. So we're going to add a strip to the top and a strip to the bottom. We're just going to hot glue it in place, and that's it. I am going to add some of these fairy lights that I do get on Amazon, and I do have them on my Amazon store if you want to check them out. I'm going to open a strip up, and then we're just going to insert them right in. This is just going to allow that design that we drilled on the can to really shine. Then we're going to secure the battery pack to the back with a little bit of hot glue, and then simply just place some mushroom solar light right on top. How adorable is this? I cannot wait for you to see it in a little bit of a darker room. Don't go anywhere though, because I have another idea with this mushroom light. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, it's going to be the easiest and quickest craft you've ever seen. I'm going to take this candle holder from Dollar Tree, remove the sticker, and wipe it really well. And then we're going to take the mushroom light and simply place it inside. That's it. Oh my word. Okay, so it's very easy. I get it. But tell me it's not the cutest thing. You can place this in a corner in your mantle, console table. Let me know what you think. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we are going to take one of these glass, it's like wine bottle, but they're meant for crafting. I love that they come already clear and no stickers on it. Love, love, love it. All right, so we are going to wipe it really well, and we're going to pair with some of these flat, dried flowers that I got from a company a long time ago. But you can find these on Amazon, and in fact, I have some on my Amazon store, again, if you want to check them out. I'm going to start Mod Podging. This Mod Podge is specifically for like dishwasher safe. Not that I'm planning to dishwash. That's just what I had left over on hand. Use whatever Mod Podge you have. It's fine. All right, so I'm going to start placing the flat dried flowers. Now, I'm not an expert on this, okay? Please know that. But I'm just going to place them where I think it's going to look pretty in a nice design, but covering the entire bottle except for the neck at the top. I'm just going to add a layer of Mod Podge, place a flower, and then another layer on top. All right, so I'm just going to do the last couple here on the top, and then we're going to set that underneath a fan to dry completely. Look how cute this looks. It's gorgeous. All right, moving on. So now we are going to start working on the solar light. This one is so cute. I've seen this one before, but I grabbed another one because it has that cute little butterfly on the inside, and it's just very natural looking. I'm going to remove everything just so that we can expose the little tag. Remove that, and then making sure that the light works. And then we're going to replace that. Now, I'm not going to use the stick for this one again. All right, we're going to use one more set of those fairy lights. Place them inside the jar because you know it's calling for it. I mean, it's just going to look gorgeous at night. We're going to thread it all the way in, and then we're going to leave the little battery pack exposed in the back, and we're just going to attach that with a little bit of hot glue to the neck, the back of the neck of the bottle. We're going to cover it up anyway. Now we're going to place the solar light on the top, and we're going to use some of this ribbon from Dollar Tree, and we're going to make a very simple bow. It's going to be on the larger side. I do want it to be a little oversized. I'm going to tie it in the center with jute string, and then we are going to cover the battery pack and the neck with a little bit more ribbon, securing in place with hot glue, and then we're going to hot glue the bow to the front of the neck. This is going to look so pretty. I want this to look like a fairy garden, just very natural kind of feel to it. So once there, I'm just going to fluff up and then angle cut or dovetail cut the ends of the ribbon. Now I'm going to add this cute little flower in the center because I think it complements the design. And then I'm going to add some greenery that are dangling from the back. And I think this really brought everything together. It just has that, again, garden look, just like a fairy garden. That's just what comes to mind. I love, this is probably my favorite. Love the way this has turned out. It's so pretty and it glows so beautifully. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we are going to take 3 of this more standard style solar light, and we're going to take one in like a charcoal, one silver, and one about bronze. We're going to remove the stick from each one of them, and of course we want to remove the tag because we want to make sure that the lights are working. And it's so easy. Just put your hand and it lights up. All right, so now we're going to pair it with a couple of these votive candle holders. Now I found these during the Christmas season, and they have in different shapes and sizes, but I have 2 in 2 sizes from Dollar Tree. And then I also have one that is just a little smaller that I thrifted a while back. And I love how they just kind of complement each other, but they can work as a set. I'm going to wipe them well because they do get really dusty. And although you can leave just like this, I am going to add just a few more elements that are going to bring that nice natural tone. I'm going to hot glue a little leafy green to each one at the very top. And I'm going to do 2 on the larger one. And then I'm going to add cute little tiny flowers in the center of each. Again, your choice, whatever you want to do. These are coming along so beautiful. Could you imagine even having more than just 3? Oh my gosh. All right, so now we're just going to add a little tiny bit of hot glue underneath the each solar light. Now on the larger one, it's just way too large. So I'm just going to add a little bit of foam. This is just floor foam from Dollar Tree. Hot glue it. Add a little hot glue to the foam on the top, and then just place the solar light and hold until it hardens. How cute is this? It is gorgeous, so easy, so simple. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we're going to start with a napkin. This one is beautiful. It has such a great design. I'm going to cut off the excess white. I'm not worried about it being completely around the design, just enough to cut off the excess. I'm going to use some masking tape to remove the ply. It's just a 2-ply, and it makes it so much easier. And then we're going to Mod Podge it to the front of this beautiful jar you can find at Dollar Tree. It's in the candle aisle, and I love that it has its own little hanging tool. I just love it. All right, we're going to remove the sticker from the bottom, of course. I used my heating tool for this one, and then we're going to wipe it really well, again, because we are going to Mod Podge it. I'm going to use the matte finish, but you can use whatever you have.
And I'm just going to add a thin layer and continue to add the napkin all around the jar, and then making sure that it's as straight as possible in the bottom edge. Once it's completely attached, I do want to give it one extra coat on top. Not only did I do the entire portion where the napkin is, but I also did the glass portion just so that everything has the same finish in that matte tone. We're going to put it to the side and let it dry. Once dry, you can see how beautiful it turned out. We're going to use my X-Acto knife to just remove that excess paper right there, just making it nice and straight. And I do like that golden tone in the rim, but not for this design. So I'm just going to cover it up using this beautiful burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree. Secure it in the back with hot glue, wrap it around the rim, and then secure it again, cutting off the excess. Just to add a little texture and design to it, you can skip this part if you want, or you can add any other color ribbon you'd like. I thought it needed a little more texture and color, so I'm going to take this cute little pink flower from Dollar Tree, remove the excess pick from the back, and we're going to hot glue it to the right side of the jar. Right there, right next to where the rope starts. This is the solar light we're going to use for this project. We're going to remove the stake, but we're going to keep the glass portion, and then we're going to place it right inside. I'm not going to hot glue it or anything. It's not needed. I love how cute, gentle, just so sweet of a project this is. Wait until you see it in the dark. Let me know what you think of this one.
I have another video here for you with tons more of Dollar Tree DIY crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have a blessed day. Bye.